In this video, we'll explore how to integrate Segmind Pixelflow into your n8n workflows using the HTTP request node. At the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to authenticate with and consume Pixelflow APIs within your automation workflows on n8n. First, navigate to the Segmind Pixelflows page, where you'll find an extensive catalog of generative AI workflows built for diverse use cases across marketing, e-commerce, fashion, advertising, and more. You can also create your own custom pixel flow and convert it into an API endpoint and follow the same integration steps demonstrated in this video. Select the pixel flow template you want to integrate into your n8n workflow. For this demonstration, I'm using the AI lens flare remover workflow, which automatically detects and removes unwanted lens flare artifacts from images. Once on the templates page, navigate to the API documentation tab. The API tab displays the complete request specification for the endpoint, including sample implementation code in Node.js. When making API requests, you must configure two essential components. First is the request headers, containing authentication credentials and content type specification. Second is the request body, containing the input parameters as the JSON payload. Now, let's configure our n8n instance. In the node palette, locate and add an HTTP request node. Return to the Segmind API documentation. Note that the request uses the post method. In the HTTP request node, select post from the method dropdown. Copy the API endpoint URL and paste it into the URL field. Enable both send headers and send body options in the node configuration. For the header section, first add the API key parameter with your Segmind API key as the value, and then add the content type header with application JSON as the value. For the request body configuration, set the body type to JSON. Select Specify JSON and choose Using JSON. Then paste the JSON payload structure from the API documentation. For production environments, we strongly recommend implementing API key authentication through the n8n built-in credential management system rather than hard-coding your API key directly in headers.